You want to know why I fully disassemble these tube frames for clamshell chairs? Because inside, a lot of times they are very full. Working on a pretty crusty old chair today. It's a little sketch, but I think we're going to be able to salvage it here. So, clamshell chair, rusted out per usual. This one's pretty bad. I've got a copper spoon that I can use as a backer to hit this with the MIG and try and fill some of these in. And it works pretty good, to be honest. You can keep that heat dissipated out of there, keep your welder turned down low. All I'm looking to do is get the hole filled in so it's bridged at least. I don't care what it looks like, we'll take care of that with filler. Alright, pretty ugly on this side here, but that copper spoon, it really helps to keep it from going crazy, so it's a lot easier to clean it up on the other side. Did a little grinding on there, some that went through, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. Most everything is filled at this point, so now it's just up to some filler and primer to go over that and help smooth it out. The saving grace with this is we're using a vein coating, so that should help hide a whole lot of this stuff.